Hey guys, here's a short video on the page editor. You can access the page editor by going to the asset library and by clicking on the new page here, or inside the library also there is a inside, when you go inside the pages, there's also a button, and then the rest is pretty much same as how it works with the email editor. If you're familiar with it, you can just use that knowledge. If you're not, I'll give you a link for the web class that we had, and it will be handled. So the only thing that's different here is the form. So you can drag and drop a form here, and then you can choose one of the forms that you've set up in DaVinci Asset Manager. Okay, and that's pretty much the only thing that's new here. And you can always put a name here and save it, and so on and so forth. So let us know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.